Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore missing push notifications in Firebase Cloud Messaging. Complete guide step by step clearly. Restoring missing push notifications in Firebase Cloud Messaging can be a straightforward process when followed step by step. First, ensure that your Firebase project is correctly set up. Open your Firebase console and navigate to the project you are working on. Confirm that you have enabled Firebase Cloud Messaging in your project settings. Next, check the configuration of your app's API key and sender ID. Make sure the API key is correctly integrated into your mobile application. Verify that the sender ID matches the one provided in your Firebase console. Now, move to the codebase of your application. Ensure that you have properly initialized Firebase in your application. Check for the necessary permissions in your Android or iOS manifest file. If you're using specific tokens to send notifications, confirm that they are correctly generated and valid. Next, review how the notifications are sent from your server. Verify the server code responsible for sending push notifications. Ensure that the notifications are being sent to the correct device tokens or topics. If notifications are still not received, look into the server response for errors. Debug any issues in the server code based on the error messages. After addressing server-side issues, it's time to check the client-side logic. Review the implementation in your application for handling incoming notifications. Validate that your app's foreground and background handling for notifications is correctly set up. Make sure your notification channel is created and configured properly for Android devices. Test the application on a physical device rather than an emulator for more reliable results. Finally, send a test notification from your Firebase console to check if the issue persists. Monitor the logs in your application for any errors that may indicate what went wrong. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Firebase support for assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to restore missing push notifications effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.